What are some common Uber payment errors that occur, and how can they be fixed?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to address a common issue that many Uber users encounter, payment errors. We'll break down some of the most common payment problems and provide step-by-step solutions to help you resolve them quickly and efficiently. Understanding these common issues and their fixes can help make your Uber experience smooth and hassle-free.
Payment method unavailable, error.
One of the most common issues is the payment method unavailable error. This usually means there's an issue with the payment method you have on file. How to fix it? 1. Check your payment information. First, make sure the payment information you have provided is accurate. This includes the card number, expiration date, and CVV. 2. Update your payment method. If your card has expired, you'll need to update the information. 3. Try a different payment method. If everything seems correct, you might want to try using a different card or payment method.
Request failed, card declined, error.
Another common issue is the request failed, card declined error. This error appears when your bank or card provider denies the payment request. How to fix it? 1. Contact your bank or card provider. The best course of action in this case is to get in touch with your bank or card provider to understand why the transaction was denied. 2. Ensure sufficient funds. Make sure your account has sufficient funds to cover the trip cost.
Promo code or discount not applied.
Sometimes, you might find that a promo code or discount hasn't been applied to your ride. How to fix it? 1. Check the code's terms and conditions. Be sure to review the terms and conditions of the promo code to make sure it applies to your ride. 2. Enter the code correctly. If the code is valid but still not working, ensure you've entered it correctly. 3. Contact Uber support. If the issue persists, you might need to reach out to Uber support for assistance. Payment errors can be a bit frustrating, but as we've seen, most of them can be fixed with a bit of troubleshooting. Always make sure to check your payment details, ensure you have sufficient funds, and understand the terms of any promo codes you're using. If the issue persists, Uber support is there to assist you. With these tips, you should be well equipped to handle any payment error that comes your way. Thanks for watching, and have a smooth ride with Uber.